Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Learning Lab. In the last video, we were discussing about the definitions in the number system, right? So we have completed natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. So today we will see some more definitions in the number system. So first, after the rational numbers, you will get terminating decimal. What will you get? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now this is defined in this way: while converting a fraction into a decimal, if in a division if the division comes to an end, after finite number of steps, then such a decimal is called terminating decimal. Just have a look on the board. While converting a fraction into a decimal, how we will convert a fraction into a decimal? By doing division, right? So in that division, if the division comes to an end after finite number of steps, so what is the meaning of finite number of steps? Finite means limited numbers, limited steps. After 2 steps or 3 steps or 5 steps or 7 steps, like that. Okay. After few steps, if the division comes to an end, end means what is the meaning in the division end? If you get the remainder 0, if you get the remainder 0 in the division, then we will say that the division is completed or the division has an end point, right? So in that particular division, if the remainder is 0, then such a decimal is called as terminating decimal. Okay. Now let us have a look on the example. Suppose if I take, I will take a fraction 3 by 2. So if you convert this 3 by 2 into a decimal, what will you get? In the division, suppose here 3, 2, right? 2 will not go, right? So, 2 is the divisor, 3 is the dividend. 2 ones are 2. So what is remainder here? 1. So 1 will not go into. So if you put the decimal point here, you can take 0 here. 0 in the new dividend. So 2 5s are 10. So what will you get remainder? 0, no? So this type of decimal. So whenever you are doing the division 3 with 2, then you will get the answer as 1.5. Right? Similarly, suppose if you take some 4 by 5, so you will get, if you divide 4 with 5, you will get 0.8. 5 ones are 5 is 40, right? Now suppose if you take 3 by 8, what will you get? Let us see. 0. 3 will not go. So you have to take point here. So it becomes 30. 8 3s are 24. So what is remainder? 60. 60 means 8 7s in 8 table. 8 7s are 56. Now what is left? 4. 4 means in 8 table 8 5s are 40. Like this, we have an end point. Suppose here 1 4 3 by 100 if you take, you will get 1.43. So if this type of decimals which has an end point are called as terminating decimals. Okay. So I hope the definition of the terminating decimal is clear to everybody, right? Okay. Right. Next, after terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating or recurring. Repeating or recurring decimal. So let us see what is the definition for this. Now this is defined in this way. In the decimal part, of a decimal, a digit or set of digits, a digit or set of digits repeated continuously, then such a decimal is called, non-terminating repeating decimal or recurring decimal. So before explanation of this non-terminating repeating decimal, you must know that what is the decimal. What is the decimal? Just now we have seen here in the case of terminating decimal, we have seen 0.63, 1 point something, right? Suppose 1.56, this is the decimal. In this particular decimal, we have two parts. Those are, this one is called integral part. What is that? Integral part. And after the decimal point, and this number is called as decimal part. What is that? Decimal part, right? So in the decimal we have two parts, that is integral part and decimal part, right? I think you people have got an idea about the decimal part. Now come to the definition of this non-terminating repeating decimal. In the decimal part, 1.56 I have written just now, right? In the decimal part, in this decimal part, a digit, only one digit or set of digits repeated continuously, then such a decimal is called as non-terminating. Then such a decimal is called non-terminating repeating decimal. Now let us see here. I will take an example of here some 5 by 3. 5 by 3 if we divide, 5 ones are 5 and 20 means 3 ones are 3, 20 means 3 6 are 18, again 2 will be remainder 20, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18 and so on. This can be written as 1.6 bar. This bar indicates that the number under the bar repeating continuously. The number under this particular line, horizontal line, is called as bar. The number under this bar is repeating continuously. The number under the bar, it may contain 1 digit or 2 digits or 3 digits, whatever it may be. A digit or set of digits. If a 1 digit is repeating, no problem. Digit is repeating continuously. 2 digits are repeating continuously. Such type of, right? So like that, suppose if any number consider 2.354, 54 is under the bar. Means here 2 digits are repeating. In this particular decimal, in this particular decimal, 5 and 4 under the bar, above the bar, below the bar, there are 2 digits 5 and 4. These 5 and 4 are repeating continuously. Here 2 digits are repeating, here only 1 digit are repeating, right? So a digit or two set of digits are repeating continuously, then such a decimal is called as non-terminating repeating decimals or else recurring decimals, right? Okay, I think you people have got an idea about the non-terminating repeating decimal and terminating decimal. Okay, right. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel.